Say hi to the peeps of YouTube, Mother.
Gee, that bloke's not a bad looking bloke, is he?
I know, have a look at that moustache. There's my Uncle Murray. Alright, Muzz, we'll see you later.
Just take it easy, don't
Catch ya. So we just got down here to Redgate Beach in Margaret River, which it's a beautiful day. It's a little bit overcast, but haven't been here for a long time. Used to surf here heaps as a kid, so it's bringing back a few memories, which is good. And Beck and I are checking it out together now, which is pretty cool. So we're just going to explore, chuck the drone up, see if we can get some wicked shots, because it's a beautiful beach. It's nice rock formations and yeah, just super white sand with blue water. It's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoy. It is so beautiful here. You wouldn't actually believe that it's autumn. Summer's long gone and it's still so pretty.
I love it here.
The pilgrimage, which had a serious purpose at the end. The thing was to get to that end. Success or whatever it is, or maybe heaven after you're dead. But we missed the point the whole way along. But we missed the point